Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited and you continue to my videos like this. So friends, today we'll share with you the very beautiful crochet headscape designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs how to show your people in the. If you like today videos and like it, share it to your friends and family members. You can many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how well like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel's Crochet Lovers. Now how to did the work yourself, and if you guys you can't take a screenshot from my videos and show it to home, so one LC and you can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such videos. Amazing very videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video my channel, I am very happy that you like my videos and good comment. Please let me know comment if you guys are interested my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear, take care.